Hey, do you want an awesome QR code for your website? Then on QR Tiger, you can make an awesome QR code and track your data. Let's have a look how it works.
Customer reviews play an essential role in the success of your business. Here are some tips on how you can get your customers to leave reviews for your business. Tip number 1, add a QR code on your packaging. If you are selling physical products, put QR code stickers on the packaging or the product itself that will direct customers to the product reviews page of your website. Bring them to your TripAdvisor, write a review link or Google Business Reviews. Or direct them to a form where they just need to type and hit send. With a single scan, customers can now easily leave product and business reviews. Tip number 2, always remind your customers to leave a review. Place a call to action along with your QR code on your packaging. This will make them act the moment they see your QR code. Make your call to action effective by using little words and making it concise. Remind customers to leave a review by putting a review us. Don't forget to put where your customers will be directed and what type of review they will be making. Tip number 3, customize your QR codes. Make your QR codes eye-catchy to make them more effective. Give them an appealing and welcoming design. Change the color. Add your logo. And stray away from the typical QR code look. The more unique it is, the more likely you are going to give it attention and spark customer curiosity. Design drives customer engagement. And before you know it, your customers are scanning your QR code and giving you the reviews you deserve. Tip number 4, use follow-up emails. For people who don't think too much about reviews, or just simply forgot, follow-up emails are the little reminder or push that they need. Send your customers an email reminding them to leave Google reviews, Facebook reviews, or reviews on your website. Make your message appealing. Ask them how they are doing, how things have been, or simply start with a welcoming address. All of these will make you approachable, resulting in better chances of getting online reviews. Tip number 5, acknowledge reviews. A customer's feedback is as important as yours. Make your customers feel engaged. Make them feel that their efforts for leaving a customer review is appreciated. How you can do this is simple. Reply to their reviews, both positive and negative. Tell them that you appreciate them coming back to you, or apologize for their disappointment, and ask your customers how you can better improve. If you reply and acknowledge comments, you are creating a community. And a healthy and constructive community is what customers are going to want to be a part of. So, remember, your responses do not just give appreciation to product reviews, but attract other customers to leave one as well. What are you waiting for? Create QR codes at QR Tiger today.